Hi friends, this is Anita Sikvera with you. In my previous videos, I had shown you a concoction. I had shown you tulsi and ginger syrup, which is very effective for cold and cough. I also had given you the natural effective tips, like a first aid as the lockdown is over almost in all the places. Now what we are going to do, that we take care of ourselves, wear mask, keep distance, wear gloves, wash our hands. Today I'm going to share with you the properties and benefits of turmeric. This is turmeric. Instead of using dry one, if you don't have the fresh one, it's okay. You can use the dry turmeric. But the fresh turmeric is very, very effective for weight loss, arthritis, for sore throat, and it's also how you can prevent yourself from cancer and many other things. The properties of turmeric, I have made a list and I have put it. So this is for you all to look at it and understand the properties. These are the benefits of turmeric, which I have jotted down and made some points. I will zoom in so that you can have a look and you can read the benefits of turmeric. I will show you how you can use turmeric. Turmeric has a property of anti-inflammatory, which is good for relieving yourself from pain, swelling. Want to play football or some match and you have a body pain. What you can do is, immediately you can take half teaspoon of turmeric, pour it in a cup of milk. Boil this milk at least for 10 minutes and have this turmeric milk. Next thing what I'm going to show you is antiseptic property. I have taken water. This is organic turmeric powder. You can use the normal other powder also. And I have also taken fresh turmeric. If anybody has got hurt, like a bruise, children normally fall when playing and they get hurt. What you can do is first wash their legs and then you can pour some water in this powder. You can see it comes like a paste. Some more water so it is little more. Yeah. Here you can see the consistency. It is like apply it. It will burn a little, but this is the best antiseptic. Have bruises when you have burns. When you get small burns in the kitchen, you can wash your hand with cold water and apply this. If the milk is not agreeing to you, you can use the fresh turmeric. Okay, take this much. Okay, in a cup, nicely pond this turmeric and boil it for 15-20 minutes and you can have that. Even that will help you to from whatever pain, body pain you have, because turmeric is also known as a painkiller. Remember that God loves you and without God we are nothing. Thank you very much and please subscribe, like, share and click on the bell which will give you notification whenever I post another new video.